Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over the fingering and the notes for a B-flat major scale, 1 octave. We'll cover both hands separately and hands together. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to find out which notes and keys will be played for a B-flat major scale on the piano. So here is B-flat. This is Do. So if you look at your solfège formula above, Do to Re is whole step, skipping this key right here. B flat to C, Re to Mi, whole step, skipping this key right here. Then Mi to Fa is a half step, so we're not going to skip any keys on the piano. We're going to go to the very next key, so D to E flat. And then our next interval is Fa to So, another whole step, skipping this white key right here. So to La, whole step. La to T, whole step. G to A, and T to Do. So our notes for a B-flat major scale are going to be B-flat, C, D, E-flat, F, G, A, B-flat. So now we're going to go over with the right hand and then the left hand how to lock in the fingering for a B-flat major scale because it's non-standard fingering. We're going to start with Do. It's B-flat, and we're going to use a technique called clumping, which means we will group the notes together that are in between the crossunders of the thumb. So B-flat will be by itself, finger 2. Then thumb is 1, then we have a group of 2, 3, D and E flat. Then thumb comes underneath, and then we're going to clump fingers 2, 3, and 4 together. Back down, 1, cross with 3, thumb, cross with 2. Let's clump that one more time. 2, 1, 2, 3, thumb, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, 3, 2, thumb, 2. Now we'll play those notes one at a time, starting with finger 2 on B flat. Here we go. So B flat, C, D, E flat, G, A, B flat. Back down, B flat, A, G, F, cross with 3, and cross with 2. Now the left hand is going to start with a clump. We're going to start with finger 3 on the black key, and our next crossover will be with finger 4 here on E flat. So the clumping will look like this. It will be 3, 2, then thumb, then 4, 3, 2, and I'm going to have you cross on 3. You could also do 2 at the top if it's the last time you're doing it. Let's do that one more time. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one at a time. B flat, C, D, cross with 4, E flat, F, G, A, cross with 3, B flat, back down. Cross under 4 with the thumb. So we're going to do a short long rhythm. We put 3 on Do, the left hand, 2 on Do with the right hand, and here we go. What's next? Left hand finger 4 crossing over. What's next? Right hand thumb under. What's next? Left hand finger 3 crossing over. Back down, thumb under the left hand. Right hand finger 3, left hand under 4. And now hands together, one at a time. Cross with 4, under 3, over Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a B-flat major scale, hands together, 1 octave. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.